Blenders have evolved from simple kitchen appliances to essential culinary tools, capable of transforming whole foods into creamy smoothies, hot soups, nut butters, and more. Among the many brands available, Ninja and Vitamix stand out as two of the most popular and debated choices. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a busy parent, or a home chef, the decision between these two brands can feel overwhelming. Each promises powerful performance, but their approaches, features, and price points differ significantly. Today we'll explore the key aspects that set Ninja and Vitamix apart, helping you decide which blender best suits your kitchen and lifestyle. Performance and blending quality. When it comes to blending performance, Vitamix is often regarded as the gold standard. Its powerful motor and uniquely designed blades create a strong vortex, pulling ingredients down and ensuring even, ultra-smooth blends. This makes Vitamix particularly effective with tough, fibrous ingredients like kale, carrots, or nuts. Whether you're making green smoothies, nut butters, or hot soups, Vitamix consistently delivers a silky texture with minimal chunks or grit. Ninja blenders, on the other hand, are well known for their sharp, stacked blades that slice through ice and frozen fruit with ease. They excel at making smoothies and crushing ice for drinks or desserts. However, when it comes to fibrous vegetables or thick mixtures, Ninja sometimes leaves small bits behind. While the blending quality is more than sufficient for most everyday tasks, those seeking the smoothest possible results, especially for challenging recipes, may find Vitamix to be superior. Motor power and speed. Both Ninja and Vitamix offer blenders with impressive motor power, typically ranging from 2 to 2.5 horsepower (HP) and wattages between 1200 and 1500 watts. However, Vitamix models often feature a higher maximum speed, reaching up to 37,000 revolutions per minute (RPM), compared to Ninja's 24,000 RPM. This difference in speed translates to more thorough blending and the ability to handle tougher ingredients with ease. Vitamix also stands out for its variable speed control, allowing users to fine-tune the blending process for different recipes. With up to 10 manual speed settings, you can achieve anything from a chunky salsa to a perfectly smooth puree. Ninja blenders typically offer fewer speed options, though many models include preset programs for common tasks like smoothies, ice crushing, or pureeing. These presets make Ninja blenders user-friendly, especially for beginners, but they lack the precise control that more experienced users might appreciate. Build quality and durability. Durability is a crucial factor for anyone investing in a high-performance blender. Vitamix blenders are renowned for their robust construction, featuring metal drive systems and high-quality materials throughout. The solid build not only contributes to their longevity, but also ensures consistent performance over years of heavy use. Many Vitamix models come with warranties ranging from 7 to 10 years, reflecting the brand's confidence in its product's durability. Ninja blenders, while well-made and reliable for most home kitchens, tend to use more plastic components, especially in the drive system and jar connections. This can make them less durable over time, particularly with frequent heavy use. The plastic jars are also more prone to cracking if dropped. For occasional blending or lighter tasks, Ninja's construction is more than adequate, but those seeking a long-term investment may lean toward Vitamix. Jar and blade design. The design of a blender's jar and blades plays a significant role in its performance and versatility. Vitamix uses thick, blunt blades positioned at the bottom of the jar. Rather than slicing, these blades crush and pulverize ingredients, working in tandem with the jar's unique shape to create a powerful vortex. This design, combined with the included tamper tool, allows users to process thick mixtures evenly and efficiently. Ninja blenders feature a distinctive tower of sharp, stacked blades that run up the center of the jar. This configuration is highly effective for chopping and slicing ingredients quickly, making Ninja blenders particularly good for smoothies and ice-based drinks. However, the sharp blades can dull over time, and the stacked design may struggle with thicker or denser mixtures, sometimes requiring users to stop and stir the contents for even blending. Versatility. Vitamix blenders are celebrated for their versatility. Beyond smoothies, they can handle hot blending, allowing you to make soup directly in the jar, as well as milling grains, making nut butters, frozen desserts, and even dough. The combination of powerful motors, variable speed control, and a tamper makes Vitamix suitable for both small and large batch recipes, and for a wide variety of culinary tasks. Ninja blenders are best known for their prowess with cold blends, smoothies, and ice crushing. Many models come with multiple jars and accessories, such as single-serve cups and food processor attachments, expanding their utility for tasks like chopping vegetables or making dough. However, Ninja blenders generally struggle with hot ingredients and very thick mixtures, limiting their versatility compared to Vitamix. Ease of use and cleaning. Ease of use is an important consideration, especially for busy households. Ninja blenders are designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring intuitive controls, digital displays, and automatic programs on many models. Most parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. This plug-and-play approach is ideal for those who want fast results without a learning curve. Vitamix blenders, while slightly more complex due to their manual controls, are also straightforward once you get the hang of them. Cleaning is simple. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, then blend on high for 30 seconds. The tall jars, however, can be more challenging to clean by hand, especially if you don't have a dishwasher. The tamper and variable speed dial may require a bit of practice, but they offer greater control and flexibility once mastered. Price and value. Price is often the deciding factor between Ninja and Vitamix. Vitamix blenders are a significant investment, with most models priced between $350 and $600 or more. This higher cost reflects their superior performance, durability, and long warranty. For those who blend frequently, experiment with a variety of recipes, or want a blender that will last for years, Vitamix offers excellent value. Ninja blenders, by contrast, are much more affordable, with many models available for $60 to $250. They provide strong performance for the price, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers or those who use their blender primarily for smoothies and basic kitchen tasks. While they may not match Vitamix in every aspect, Ninja blenders deliver solid results and convenience at a fraction of the cost. Bottom line, choosing between Ninja and Vitamix ultimately comes down to your blending needs, frequency of use, and budget. Vitamix is the clear winner for those who demand top-tier blending performance, durability, and versatility. Its ability to handle everything from tough greens to hot soups, combined with a robust build and long warranty, makes it a favorite among culinary enthusiasts and professionals alike. Ninja, on the other hand, is ideal for users seeking a reliable, easy-to-use blender for everyday tasks at a more accessible price point. Its sharp blades, preset programs, and multiple accessories make it a great choice for smoothies, ice crushing, and general kitchen prep. Both brands have earned their reputations for quality and innovation. By understanding the strengths and limitations of each, you can make an informed decision and choose the blender that best fits your kitchen and lifestyle.